Hey, what's going on? Happy Easter, everybody. I hope you're enjoying your long weekend. We are on site again for week 7 of our project update. The guys at AceCon were kind enough to give me an AceCon hard hat to protect my head because they know I love coming by here to checking out the progress. So let's go inside to show you how everything looks after week 7. It's such a beautiful day today. Sun shining. All right. So again, I'm gonna flip this camera. Oh, now you can see things are taking shape and taking form here. We see all the studs up here. This is gonna be our ceiling up here. And let's walk through this now with the studs up, give you guys a better indication of how this space is gonna look. Again, this is going to be our reception desk area here. There's going to be a giant 75-inch TV right behind the reception desk here in order to showcase our YouTube videos, our Instagram content, whatnot. Again, this is going to be our reception, or sorry, not reception, but our consultation room here. And there's going to be a little beverage station right around here. This is our handicap accessible washroom in there. This is our first hygiene room, again with the windows and the hygiene 2, and our dental operatory 1 and 2 back there. But yeah, you can see that everything is kind of taking shape and taking form. Our study area is going to be here. Office area is going to be here with a little lab, and our staff room at the back. So this is all coming together with all the studs coming up. It's actually pretty amazing to see this starting to look like a place where we can work and share the love and passion for dentistry with the community here. Thanks everybody for watching week 7. This week we're going to be doing a big site meeting, making sure the studs are in the right spot, as well as the electrical boxes that are going to be housing the receptacles are in the right spot. That's called our box walk. So 2 important things at this stage is having to measure exactly where each studs are, because that's where the walls are going to be, and you have to make sure that you're going to meet code and handicap accessibility, etc. So that's really important to find out any sort of discrepancies now before it's too late. We're going to be doing that this week, so stay tuned for that, and thanks again for watching, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your long weekend. Peace.